Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can descale your Tefal Pure Pop steamer. So you want to do this if you notice that the performance is not working as well as it did before. Maybe there's not as much steam coming out because possibly it might be starting to get blocked up with scale on the inside. So to descale it, what we have to use is a mixture of water and white vinegar. So we're going to be using 50% white vinegar and 50% tap water. So let me just do that now. We're going to be taking off the little reservoir here, and I'm just going to be pouring in half and half. And filling the rest up with water. There we go, we're full. Now I'm going to be putting this back on to the steamer. And you've got to make sure you do this in a well-vented room. So I'm going to actually open up the window. And we're going to take this off because we don't want to damage this part here. So just pull that out. And now we've just got the mixture of water and vinegar in here. We're now going to plug it in and leave it for 15 seconds until it warms up. I'm going to turn it on here. The light will come on here. When that goes out, we're ready to start. Okay, so it's gone out now, so all we have to do is steam over a sink or a bowl. The window's open to get plenty of fresh air in. So I'm going to start steaming now, and we've got to do it until the reservoir runs empty. So with the white vinegar, hopefully this is going to get rid of any scale deposits that's built up on the inside. Now obviously if you're doing this, don't do it over a bowl full of water or a bath full of water because you don't want to drop this in and risk getting electrocuted. I'm just moving it around just to try to get the vinegar to get everywhere inside. Right, I can hear us running dry. There we go. So we're going to turn it off now, and we're going to take out the water reservoir. We now have to rinse it out with just clean water. So to begin with, I'm just going to rinse it out here just in case there is any remnants of vinegar in there. Okay, so now we're full of clean water. Just going to empty out the bowl in case I drop it. And now we're going to put it back in again. Just going to dry my hands. And we're going to turn it on and we're going to do the same process again. We're going to fully flush it out with one clean lot of water, and then it should be ready to use after that. So however long it took you the first time, it's going to take you the same amount of time now. And flushing this out will just clean out any remaining vinegar that's on the inside. Right, it's nearly dry. And there we go. It's empty now. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to unplug it. And I'm just going to wipe here just in case there's any vinegar that's gone down on this bit. There we go. So once that's cooled for a good hour or so, you'll be able to store it away again. And then hopefully next time you'll use it, it'll be full power again, producing a nice bit of steam because the vinegar should have cleaned out any deposits on the inside. So that's it. That's how to descale your Tefal Pure Pop. Thanks for watching.